Hello everyone, I'm Ryan and I'm a consultant here at Theorem, and today I'm going to be showing you Theorem's factory layout experience. Factory layout can be viewed immersively in virtual reality or mixed reality, or for those colleagues that don't have an XR device, can be reviewed from a desktop machine. In collaboration mode, issues can be captured for later review with colleagues unable to attend and shared with the wider design team. We can start to build and experience factory planning session together in this 3D digital world using Theorem software, and you can navigate freely around your built environment using fly, walk and teleport. So the best place to start really is at the end. I've started in a factory that I've built in order to demonstrate the functionality of the factory layout experience and the types of issues it can help address in your process. I'll go through some of the key features of the experience, and then we can jump into a collaboration session with staff from our US facility, and this will demonstrate how it can be used collaboratively with colleagues regardless of location.